Assalamu alaikum. Today we begin our lessons on the book of Muallim Sani. Inshallah, we hope that our lessons will be useful for you in learning the Holy Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو يا. Let's start with the makhraj of letters that we're going to study today. Makhraj is an Arabic word, the place of pronouncing. The areas of the mouth that we use to pronounce the Arabic letters are called makhraj. Alif. Makhraj of the letter alif, upper part of the throat. Alif. 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 How to spell the alif letter? The letter alif at the beginning of a word. The letter alif in the middle and at the end of a word is spelled the same way. A, I, U. The signs marked with arrows are called harakat. The harakat, which literally means mentions, are the short vowel marks. Fatha is a harakat that gives an A sound. Kasra is a harakat that gives an E sound. Dhamma is a harakat that gives an U sound. The fatha is a small diagonal line placed above a letter and represents a short A. A similar diagonal line below a letter is called a kasra and designates a short E. The dhamma is a small curl-like diacritic placed above a letter to represent short U. A, I, U. A, I, U. Ra. Makhraj of the letter Ra. The sound is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue to the root of the upper incisors. Ra, 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 ra. How to spell the Ra letter? At the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, at the end of the word. Ra, ri, ru. Ra, ri, ru. Ir, ur. Sukun is a circle-shaped diacritic placed above the letter. This indicates that the consonant it is attached to is not followed by a vowel, that is, zero vowel. Ar, ir, ur. So, sukun shows that there is no harakat or a vowel. za. Makhraj of the letter za. When the tip of the tongue touches the inner side of the bottom incisors. Za, 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 za. How to spell the letter za? At the beginning of the word. In the middle of the word. At the end of the word. Read the following words together.
ذا ذي ذو as is uz as is uz zar zir zur as ru is ru uz ru ur zu as is uz zar zir zur as ru is ru uz ru ur zu mim
Makhraj of the letter mim. The top of the tongue touches the inner side of the upper two teeth. Mim, ma, mim, ma, mim, ma. How to spell the mim letter? At the beginning of the word. In the middle of the word. At the end of the word. Read the following words together.
ما مي مو ما مي مو إم مر مز رم أمر 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 امر رمز ارمي مرمر رمرم زمزم أرزم إم مر مز رم أمر 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 امر رمز ارمي مرمر رمرم زمزم أرزم أرزم زمزم رمرم مرمر ارمي رمز امر أمر 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 رم مز مر إم إم مر مز روم أمر 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 إمر رمز ارمي مرمر رم زم أرزم.
In today's lesson, we learned the letters Alif, Ra, Za, Mim. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we will learn the letters Ta, Nun, Ya.